Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba has urged the government to prioritize safeguarding age-old sacred temples and enhancing religious practices during Pakhangba Cheng Homba ritual held at Uttarashang Lane, Sanakono. The MP emphasized that ritual, which involves offering rice and flowers to Pakhangba and Nongsaba, is performed annually on Thanil of Kanglane to bring prosperity to the state. He highlighted that similar ritual is held at Mangtakom in Kakching, where Ibudo Pakhangba first set foot on earth. The MP stressed the significance of safeguarding temples for indigenous people of the state, emphasizing that it contributes to understanding one's self and cultural heritage. He urged the government to prioritize protection and enhancement of indigenous people's temples. Moreover, the MP appealed to the government to immediately take action against those involved in vandalizing sacred sites of Ibudo Pakhangba and Ibendo Leshna at Uyal Chairao Ching.
Ibudo Nongsaba amasung Ibudo Pakhangba anigi koi kalen cheng hongba hairga khangnaba adugumba thauram aduni adu hariba thauram si yamna liraba amdagi hauna lamdam sida pankiba thaurol mayam gi matam dagi masi maina wai tangna sam kaiphadaba adugumba thauram amoina pangga lakpa gi masi makha chatharakpani aduna thauram si ekona cheng hongba haina su haire masi gi thauram si karimta nate ekona Ibudo Nongsaba amasung Ibudo Pakhangba ani sida ekona ngamjaba tengbi chengba haijadana leibak asigi koigi yaiphanaba Sahong Naba, Laiba Kanglu Puru Mayamsi, Kogi Nungaya Fana, Punna, Awana Tatana, Panana Badumba, Tony Zaba, Dumba, Tolomamani, Tamleba Kivita, Ireba Sigi, Kamkai, Kaibiaro, Laiba, Eko Yellow Furup Sing, Bayaro, Adonako Punna, Yellow Missing Saktam, Amasung Irebaki, Namkai, and Menasi, Habi Wakalundu and Sigi Tolomse, Pangjabani, Sanakun, Gimaki Degi, and Amusinjaraga, Sengot Pasaga Paisi, Amatok Taimaramdi, Tungi Mirolda, Siekona, Amuk Sindaram Godoribani, Aduna, Marilenaba, Eko Lengaki. Adugumba Loisang Singh aduga Lengaki Lairiba Lusing Purel ekogi Honorable Chief Minister gi mhamdasu ayang ekogi Yellow Furup Singh sigi ariba laifam khubam sing se masi senggot sagat pinaba amasung ngak sen pinaba masi ai bagede ngasi sigumba thorom masi gi khudong chablo ga apil tawjari